Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that the Cowork cannot see your folder. Okay, sometimes it happens when it comes to the Claude AI, but we can fix that easily. First thing is that, of course, we need to make sure that the Claude Desktop is open. So the Cowork reaches our local files through the Claude Desktop app. Have that in mind, it doesn't work in the browser, you gotta have the desktop app. So it has to be open and running. If it's closed, Claude can't see any folder at all, no matter what's connected. So have that in mind. You also need to check that you are in the Cowork session. A really important thing. In the new chat box, you gotta make sure that you're using the Cowork mode, because if you simply select chat, it won't work. So that is why you gotta select Cowork. Down below, we need to check also, is our folder connected right in here in the list. Simply click, and if you don't see it right in here, you can click on add a folder, and then from the list select the folder in which Claude is going to work in. Have that in mind. You can also do it from the level of the settings. Click on your name, go to settings, then go to Cowork, and in here we have the Trusted Cowork folders, and you also need to you can also enable the dispatch, let Claude work on tasks from your phone, not from the phone, my bad, not the thing. We have the Trusted Cowork folders. When you attach one of these folders to a Cowork task, Claude won't ask you to confirm. Click on manage, and in here we can also select the Trusted Cowork folders, and then click on done to apply the changes. Okay, you can also try to reconnect the folder simply. To disconnect, simply unclick, and if you want to add a new folder, click on add, and then from the list select in which folder the Claude is going to work in. Okay, now let's test it out. Is it working? I need to select the proper folder that I want to check. Is it working? It's right in here. I'm about to unselect this one. And now we gotta, to test it out, we are going to enter a prompt. Okay. Let's do the thing, list the files in my connected folder. Click on enter. Okay. I only have one file in this folder, but the Claude actually saw it, so it means that it can read my folder properly. It has a full access to it, and it says that your connected folder has only one file, sample txt. But that's a confirmation that now it's working. We have selected the proper folder, and we are in the Cowork mode also, and now the Claude says that I only have one file, so it cannot list the files because there's only one, but that simply confirms that Claude is seeing my folder. Okay. We can also add multiple, let's do it in the new window, and let's add multiple folders, maybe those two, but I think that it doesn't exist anymore. I will add a new folder, documents, maybe or actually I'm about to create a new folder in Documents, new folder. Let's say I'm going to call it example. As you can see, it's right in here in the Documents. And also recommend to have all your folders that you're going to work in. I mean, the Claude will work in the folders. Simply place them in the Documents. Then it will work in the best way. Because there's a chance that, for example, if your folder is on the local disk D, not the main one, that also might be the problem why it's not working. Okay, let me add this this folder that I have just created, Documents, Example, select folder, allow Claude to change files and example. I'm about to click Always Allow. Okay, and now let's enter the second prompt. That will be our alternative test. And the prompt looks like that. Can you confirm which folders you currently have access to right now? I have connected 2 folders. And now let's check it. Is it working? Okay, and we have the answer. You currently have access to 2 folders, script writing, 2 files, your primary workspace, I can read from and save outputs here, and the example folder, I can read and write files in both. And as if it's still stuck, you can simply restart the Claude app. Simply manually quit it from the system tray and then reopen the app. And if it still doesn't work, you can of course try to uninstall the Claude from your computer and then download it again, sign in, and everything should be okay back again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.